Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. When I open my Discord, it will show a error loading junk 9964 failed after 3 retries. If you are facing same problem, I will show you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end. Follow my step to fix the problem. When you are facing this problem, the first one is Control Shift plus R from your keyboard. If it is not working, then close the Discord completely and then reopen again. As you can see, the same issue. The next one is press window plus R from your keyboard and type here percent app data percent and then press enter. Now search here Discord, click on this, right click on it and delete this folder. After doing this step, now open again. If it is not working, then restart your device. After restarting your device, reopen again. Wait some time. So as you can see, it's working properly. So by this way you can fix the problem. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our channel and share it with them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.